Okay, so today I'm gonna install tow hooks on a 2020 Dodge Ram 1500 Classic. Got these off Amazon for $135. Came with this brackets. So I already took first cover off. All it was this. Got under there. 10mm socket. Impact wrench. Sat in there like this. Once you unscrewed it, just pulled it out from the bracket. Okay, here's the passenger side. This screw is even, this is busted out. It's not even unscrewed it. But there's 1, 2, 3, and then this comes out this way. Okay, so this is the bracket that it came with, the tow it came with. So you see that these studs fit in that hole right there. So put the hand right here, and that part fits right in the hole. Help close it up. Took these 2 bolts off. It was 18mm. So now I'm gonna put these back. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, now this is how the bracket fits on here. Just goes in there like that. Just like that. Then you can tighten these down. And then it comes with some bolts. Comes with a bag of bolts. Put that in here. And tighten them all down. Let's see how it works out. This thing fit perfect. All I did was unloosen these, held this up from right here, set it right in place, and then that help holds it up. Now while that's up, you put your bolt in here, tighten that up, tighten those up. Those are 18mm too, for these, and just tighten everything up. Okay, I got the tow hook on. It's pretty much what it looks like. Dodge sells one of these for when you install tow hooks. I guess it's one of these that has a cutout, so you won't see this raw opening right here. It depends on you if that really bothers you or not. You can see in there a little bit, but what I think I'm gonna do is, being that I have the tools, I think I'm gonna make my own hole. Cut this out here. You see this gap here, so I'm gonna leave that about right there, and then just cut this part out. Then I can reinstall it. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna cut the hole, take this back off, reinstall that, put my hook back on, and see how that looks. Or better yet, being I didn't install this hook yet, I'll do it on this side first and see if I like how it looks. If I like how it looks, then I'll do this side. Okay, for the passenger side, I think I'm not even gonna remove this. I'm gonna just cut it. I have a multi-tool. Use that. I already measured from here to there. It's about 2.5. That's what I got from here. From here is about 2 3/4. So I put 2.5 here, and I'm gonna just cut this. with the multi-tool. I don't even have to remove that. Okay, so here's the cut that I made. Did 2.5 inches up to the line, all around. This helped with rounding out the corners. That's what it looked like. Not too much of a difference. If you do it, just leave about an extra 1/2 inch, maybe 3/4 from the top to there. Make it run all the way across, and it'll help hide that a little bit better, but it didn't make too much of a difference. I wanted this open in case it's like a eye hook or something that I need to go around. I wanted that clearance, so that's why I cut it back here. Anyway, I'm gonna take the other one off and put that back on and cut it. That's what the other side look like. Now you can buy the plates from the dealer. It was like $50, and it comes with the holes already. But I'm not sure if it's gonna fit the Amazon hooks. So you can try it. But I'm done. This was a super easy job. They wanted $300 something for each hook at the dealer, plus the bolts and everything was separate. And I got these both hooks with all the nuts for $135 on Amazon. And this, again, I just cut it myself. Saved the other extra $50. Hope this helped. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. There it is.